Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of hair product which is Biotin hair serum. This is actually hair oil and hair serum for thicker, stronger and beautiful hair. This is Biotin hair growth serum. This is topical serum for men and women. Biotin and provitamin B5 help in nourishing the hair follicles. This is one of supplement for hair loss treatment. This is advanced formula contained hair growth serum. I have been using from last month and my hair condition is never like bad condition, but sometimes it's ups and down, like sometimes it thinning. So I like to try different product, but I don't put everything together. Like one I tried, then after a while I try different one. So currently I'm using this one, Biotin hair serum, and I like this one. This is one of a good product. Biotin hair serum is one of leave-in product, and if you want better result, then you can keep in overnight and you will see much better result. This hair serum also for hair thinning. It make strengthening and keep healthier hair root. Take 2-3 drops serum on the palm and put on the hairline, scalp, and massage gently. Using fingertips, gently work onto the scalp by massaging in a circular motion. For better result, use this serum daily and try to keep overnight. When you continue use this oil, it will give you a nice texture of your hair. If you want beautiful, stronger and fuller hair, then you can try this one. I'll put the link below on the description box. I'm using this and I'm feeling great, and I think if you want to like promote your hair condition, definitely you can try this one and just let me know how you feel about this hair. Thank you for watching. Take care.